The 1%, the wealthy elite who control a large portion of the world's wealth. Are they the driving force behind our society's biggest issues, or are they simply a scapegoat for deeper problems? Today, we're diving into one of the most controversial debates of our time. Is the 1% really the cause of society's problems? Let's start by defining the 1%. These are the ultra-wealthy individuals and families who hold a disproportionate amount of wealth. For example, in the US, the top 1% owns nearly 40% of the country's wealth. But what does this mean for the average person? Let's take a look at the arguments that blame the 1% for society's problems. Wealth inequality. The 1% owns a massive portion of wealth, leading to increasing income inequality. This concentration of wealth leads to social unrest, lack of opportunities for the lower classes, and widening gaps in education, healthcare, and housing. Political influence. The wealthy elite often have more influence over political decisions. Their ability to donate to political campaigns or lobby governments creates policies that favor them while leaving the rest behind. Stagnation of the middle class. The growth of the middle class has slowed dramatically while the 1% continues to accumulate wealth. The result? Many working-class people struggle to make ends meet while the wealthy continue to get wealthier. But is the 1% entirely to blame? Not everyone agrees. In fact, there are strong arguments that suggest the wealth of the 1% is a byproduct of hard work, entrepreneurship, and market forces. Innovation and job creation. The argument here is that the wealthiest individuals often create businesses that provide jobs for thousands, if not millions. They are innovators and entrepreneurs who drive progress. Example, think of tech moguls like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, whose companies have revolutionized industries and provided massive amounts of employment. Economic growth. Some argue that the wealthy reinvest their money into the economy, creating growth that ultimately benefits everyone through job creation, infrastructure, and the flow of capital. It's clear that the issues surrounding the 1% are complex. They're not just about wealth, but about how wealth is distributed, how power is used, and how social systems function. So, does the 1% truly control the problems of society? Or are they just playing by the rules of a capitalist system? Is the problem the system itself? Conclusion. Ultimately, the debate isn't just about blaming the 1%, but about how we can create a system that balances wealth creation with equality and opportunity for everyone. What do you think? Are the 1% to blame, or are they just an easy target? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going.